Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is a rainy day today. That's why our package has extra protection. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated shipping from Buy and Ship. And as you can see, it is doubly protected with plastic. Because it is a rainy day. It has been a rainy day since I think a couple of days as of making this video, but nonetheless we're glad that some items have arrived finally. I say that because there's also been quite a delay of the package getting from the US to the Hong Kong warehouse. Okay. So this one, if I remember correctly, is a consolidation of 3 separate packages. Okay, so praying of course that everything is in order, and security tape sealed. So let's go ahead and open the box. That's what my eldest son will always say, open the box. Okay, here we go. And another tape. Oops. Okay, here we go. So we can immediately see Black Panther Heroclix. This is probably from our opposite break. Okay, January 10 break. So we got booster 5 and 15, so we'll keep that on the side for now. And then we also have purchases from WizKids. So we have the Iconics Eye of the Beholder. Okay, so we already have this as a personal copy, so this one will be for sale or trade. So I think I also am offering Heinz that one, his own beholder. Okay. Ah, this one. Here's another 110 booster. So I've actually have 3 boosters. Okay, let's see what I pulled for that booster for that week in a while. Okay, we have the Iconics Captain America from Ice. So I'm just doing a quick look. Okay. So probably a separate video on that, because we bought it from WizKids. We got a freebie dinosaur hatchling, our favorite freebie, because we're making a dinosaur team. And then the other item should be from, I would say, Cool Stuff Inc. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh no, it's not from Cool Stuff. This might be also from Oxit, but instead of boosters, it's in these boxes, this wrapper, paper wraps. Okay, so we got 2 boosters, and these are our pulls. Okay, for booster number 1. Then booster number 2, we got this. Okay, so nothing exceptional. we got the Queen Storm and Midnight Angel. So I'm looking for one more of this, so I might keep her. And Storm I already have, so she goes for trade. Anyway, we'll put that on the side just to double check that everyone's here. So from Oxit, booster number 1, we got the Midnight Angel. And booster number 2, we got Queen Storm. Okay, so everything is in order. So good. And let's go to our last items, the January 10 boosters. So starting off with booster number 5, we pull the rare Thor, Killmonger, AIM Agent, Achille, and Black Panther. So this, I think, would be the last set of Black Panthers we have from the Oxit, because we're moving on to Collector's Trove. The booster number 6 contains... Ooh! Yeah, we pulled the Chase. I remember the Chase, Black Panther Phoenix, together with Power Man, Scientist Supreme, Everett Ross, and Miles Morales. Okay, so this will be for our personal collection. Phoenix, Black Panther. We bought one, we sold one, we bought one again, we sold one again. Now we pulled one. So we're not gonna sell that. And then the next one is the last one, Heroclix. Ramonda, we want that. AO, Ironheart, and Luke Cage. Okay, so we want another Ramonda because we feel she's very strong. Okay, with that support for free. Okay, then we have Ironheart rare. Okay, so quite a big haul. I've forgotten actually some of these items because it's been a while since I consolidated them. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and I leave you with the hot Black Panther chase. Bye bye.